Trx Tricep Extensions. So you'll notice we're grabbing the straps, we're stepping in between the two straps and making sure that there's no extras kind of hanging out, interfering with our head. And immediately you'll notice a nice neutral spine. Head, shoulders, back, rear end, all in a nice straight line. You'll also notice, if you pay attention, from the shoulder joint through to the elbow, that joint stays at the same angle the entire time. So you'll notice this angle here doesn't change. The only angle that changes is this elbow joint. So that way we get a good isolation through the triceps. Very important to make sure you keep a nice, strong, stable core throughout the entire exercise. Now, if you want to make the exercise a little bit easier, you can drop the elbows down and change the angle of the shoulder joint to a 90-degree angle. Or you can simply just walk your feet forward